Hi, good morning, second grade. Today is lesson 106, and this is, you should be watching this video on April 23rd, okay? Lesson 106, so get your lesson worksheet out. Get your math worksheet out for 106, okay? Today's lesson, we're going to be talking about telling and showing time to the minute, okay? So, I have my clock here behind me. We'll get to that in just a second, but before that, today, okay, so when we talk about a second is so fast, right? I can snap my fingers like that, and that is 1 second, okay? So when I count, it takes me about 1 second to say a number. Now, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, okay? So 60 seconds in 1 minute, and let's see here. So in an hour, how many minutes are there in an hour? That's right, 60 minutes in an hour, right? So let's see here. We're gonna show some times here on this clock, okay? And we're gonna try our best to do this, but okay, so right now I'm going to put this here, and then I'm gonna put it right here. So we have the 10, and then it's 1 past, a little bit 1 past. So right now we see that it's 10:01. The reason why we see that is because this minute hand is on the first line. It's not on the 12. See, if it was on the 12, it would be there, okay? But it's actually right there, okay? So it's 10:01 with the 1 minute showing, or the little line, if you can see it. Every clock has like little tick marks between the big numbers. So it goes like 10 o'clock, and then it goes 10:01, 10:02, 10:03, 10:04, and then obviously we know that the big one is 10:05 because we can count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, right? So these little ones are just counting as 1, okay? So we're gonna do another one. Let's do the same. I won't move the hour hand, but let's move this 2 over. So we're gonna do 2 over the 5. So the 5 line is here, and then there's another line and another line, okay? So what time does that say? Good, that one is 10:27, because it's 10 o'clock, 10:05, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so we know that these little marks are just like 1 minute. Each one is like 1 minute goes by, then 1 minute goes by, okay? So those are like the 1 minute little marks there. Okay, now we're going to do another one. Let's see here. Okay, let's try that. So we know that it's 8 what? Okay, so it's a little bit behind the 4. So if we see 3, the line, then we have 1 tick mark, 2 tick mark, 3 tick mark, 4 tick mark. And then that 5th one is on the 4. But it's on the 4th tick mark there. So we know that it's 8 what? So let's count by 5s. 8 o'clock, 8:05. This is 0, 0, 0, right? 0, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good. 8:19. Okay? Okay, let's do another one. Okay. Now we know it's for sure it's 5, right? The hour hand is pointing to the 5. And then let's see over here. So let's count. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Very good. So we know that it's 5:48. Okay, 5:48. Let's see here. Let's do another one. Okay. Let's do another one here. Okay, so what time does that say? Let's see. We see that the hour hand is on the 4. And then we see that the big hand is only 2 tick marks past the 7, right? So 0, 4 o'clock, 4:05, 4:10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. So we know that's 4:37, okay? Let's see here. Okay. We're going to do lesson worksheet now. Let's go ahead to lesson worksheet 106. And so it says to show the time. So the first 3, I don't want to give you the answers, but the first 3, it says to write the time, which I won't do those 3 with you. But the next 3 of showing the time, okay, I don't want to give you the answers either. So show the time, okay. So we're gonna do those 3. So show the time. It says 3:29. So 3:29. So where are we gonna move the hour hand? Good, between the 3 and the 4. Good job. And it's 29. So where are we gonna move the big hand? Good. Oops, definitely past the 25, right? But it's 29. Whoops, that's 30. 29. Good. So what time? 3:29, right? Okay, so 3. Oops, my clock is not staying, so I will just keep it there with my finger. So 3:29. 3:29. You see that? So it's a tick mark. This is the dark tick mark, but this is the one before the 6. So 3:29. 3 o'clock, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 3:29. Okay, let's do the next one. It should show the time 7:08. 7:08. So where are we going to move the hour hand? Okay, very good. Between the 7 and the 8. And then where are we going to move the big hand? It's 08. 7:08. That's right. It's going to go back up here, right? Where exactly? Good. It's going to go between the 1 and the 2. And so we know that it's 7 o'clock, 7:05. Then we count the little ones here, tick marks. 7:05, 7:06, 7:07, 7:08. Very good. So right here is 7:08. Okay. Next one is 12:54. That's the last one. 12:54. So where's the 12? Where are we going to put the hour hand? Okay, very good. And then 54. Very good. We're going to move it all the way. Well, let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Oh, 55. 55 is too far, so let's go back to 50. So 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So we got 12:54. Okay? 12:54. And now you guys know how to show time to the nearest minutes, okay, and hours. Isn't that so exciting? So don't forget about those little tick marks, okay? Those count as just like 1 minute. Like 1 minute's passing, 1 minute's passing, 1 minute's passing, okay? So don't forget that. So don't forget to show your work, do your lesson practice, on your class practice. Don't forget your wrap-ups if you want to practice. Does it say here today what to practice? Yes, it says this is kind of tiny, to do your 6 wrap-ups once, and your, what does that say, 6 or 8? Your 8 wrap-up once and your 9 wrap-up once, okay? So today you'll do your 8 wrap-ups once and your 9 wrap-up one time. Or you could do it more times if you have extra time at home. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that lesson, and I will see you guys soon.